Gucci morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. So I have my cousin and Lily here, and we actually didn't just wake up. I woke up around 8:30, and Lily woke up around 9. Sammy woke up around like 8. Right?
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8:30. So I'm going to see if I can get tingles from this ASMR video. So let's do it.
I really like your hair.
I was not impressed on that ASMR video, so I'm trying to look for others to see if I can get tingles. But I think I'm just going to give up because, you know, I always look for good ASMR videos and they never show up. But I do like 3 ASMR artists. I like Life with Mac, Rainbow ASMR, and ASMR Darling. So those are my 3 favorite ASMRs. They're really good, so go check out their channels. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing. We're waiting for my mom to come, and it's supposed to thunderstorm, and I don't really want to go to the beach. Do you, Sammy?
I checked the weather this morning when I woke up. It's not supposed to thunderstorm, so I don't know.
Oh, okay then. Well, I know. I'll update you when. Okay, so we're in the car.
Mommy, can I have your phone?